Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers. I'm back out here in Lawson, Missouri. Lawson's the hometown of my wife, and so I like taking care of the folks in Lawson. They're really great people. And this guy right here is the homeowner. This is Dwayne Peoples, highly decorated, retired military. And Dwayne, I just wanted your opinion on what you thought of King Piers, our cruise, and everything from start to finish.
Yeah.
What's your opinion?
So this is the second time I've had them out, not because they needed to fix the first time, it's because they built my confidence so well on the first one that I had them come out on the second one, knowing that this would need to be done. I may need to have some more work done on the older foundation later, so these will be the guys I call because they built such confidence. The team that he has that comes out and does the work, highly talented, skilled, they get on the job, they stay on the job, they do it right, and they've got my confidence and they'll get my call and my references every time.
All right, thank you, Dwayne. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915 or go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.